ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಫೋಕಸ್. Ma'am, can you introduce yourself, ma'am?
Hello, my name is Hema. I am working as assistant professor in Department of Civil Engineering at the National Institute of Engineering, Mysore.
As assistant professor, ma'am.
As assistant professor.
Professor. From Civil Engineering Department.
Yes, from Civil Engineering Department.
Can you share some information regarding your NPTEL local chapter, madam, at NIE?
NIE is a local chapter, and our librarian S. Harish is a SPOC for that local chapter.
Okay, ma'am. Can I get some information regarding your overall learning experience by courses offered by NPTEL, ma'am?
Yeah,
More courses.
currently I have taken 5 courses. Out of that, initially I failed in one subject. Probably it might be due to the lack of preparation or lack of giving time to that particular course. Once I got how to prepare for the got the idea how to prepare for the examinations and all. Frequently after that, the subsequent courses what I took, it was successful, and I have taken courses on designing learner-centric MOOCs, building materials and composites, and municipal solid waste management, infrastructure planning and management, and design of glass in buildings, design and its applications.
And madam, today almost about 1,400, approximately about 1,400 candidates are writing the examination for both the sessions, for forenoon as well as afternoon session. By considering the your NIE, a majority, almost 60 to 65% candidates are from NIE, madam.
Yes, sir.
So whether the NPTEL course has made compulsory for your institute, madam?
Actually, for 5th semester students, we have made it a mandate for the credit transfer. They have to take one course, 3 credit course, and after the successful completion, the 3 credits will be transferred to them. Along with that, Vishweshwara Technological University has prescribed few courses for BE Honors degree, and the meritorious students are taking that prescribed courses.
Okay, madam. As you are aware that NPTEL offers 2 credit, 3 credit and 4 credit courses, preference will be given to total number of whether it is given for 2 or 3 or 4 credit courses, madam?
Usually preference will be given to 3 credit courses.
3 credit courses.
12-week courses.
12-week courses.
And it would be seeing that the courses what we select, that will be an AICT approved courses.
AICT approved.
And if we are going for domain certifications, then we need to inform the students or educate the students well in advance so that they can take it in their first semester itself, so that the course domain completion, that will be much more useful for them, because as they want to go preparation for GATE and other competitive examinations, the content what they have taught or what they have learned in that courses, that will be much more useful for them.
Okay, madam. Is there any target to the student to earn minimum number of credit in a semester?
That is the target is with respect to the BE honors, and for other students there is no particular target. The target in terms of 3 credits only for the students of 5th semester to get the transfer of the credits done.
Okay. Ma'am, as you are aware that the NPTEL is also providing the FTP programs. In addition to the teacher who enrolls for the regular MOOC courses,
Yes,
if they complete it successfully, FTP is also awarding FTP courses. What any criteria or preference given to by the management of the institute for the faculties who have completed FTP in terms?
We have to give the self-appraisal report every year.
Okay.
So there one criteria will be mentioned that how many number of FTPs we have attended for the previous year and the current year. And what happens due to this COVID situation, it is not possible for us to go physically and attend the FDPs. So it will be much more useful for the faculties to take the AICT approved faculty development program than sometimes we might lose interest in just attending the online programs because we'll be busy with some other work. So it might not be possible for us to attend, sit and attend regularly. So this NPTEL programs will be self-paced with some amount of target date to submit the assignments, or else it is much more comfortable than going physically, leaving all the college works and all those things. It will be much useful for us.
Okay. Ma'am, one is a curiosity. Whether the NPTEL MOOC courses have impacted the faculty's teaching learning process?
Yes, sir. Definitely, it has impacted the amount of knowledge or the exposure that we'll be getting will be much more than we were just merely referring some materials in the textbooks or some materials in the internet. The way of teaching or the way of learning from an experienced person, that will have more impact on our teaching methodology also, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Any suggestions, feedback about NPTEL?
Feedback is one feedback is exams should be comparatively easy, but sometimes it depends. The level of difficulty depends upon the individual and their preparedness. And suggestions is regarding if it is possible for the faculties, those who are acting as a coordinators or the other SPOC members, whether proper incentives to that might be one of the point to encourage them to work better.
Okay. Any feedback or suggestions regarding the assignments, the course teaching methodology adopted by our NPTEL course experts?
Assignments and everything, we need to do the hard work. Without proper understanding of the context, it will not be easy. Otherwise, it is whatever the pace that is going, that is fine, sir.
Fine. Any improvements you request in the audio video quality given by the video production team of NPTEL?
Some courses will not be having the CC,
Okay.
the text that
Okay.
won't be there. So sometimes it might be difficult, or some learners will be just learning from the subtitles that will be coming, or some, as we all know, we are three different types of learners: visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. So some might be interested in only hearing the content, or some might be interested in only seeing the content. So it will be much useful if proper subtitles will be given.
Okay. And any support required as for NPTEL courses from the university, that is from Vishweshwar Technological University level?
I think VTU is providing sufficient support,
Okay.
but yeah, that is what proper advertisements of these, that would be much further advertisement, much more advertisements and proper recognitions of
Yeah.
the work done by the coordinators or the SPOC's members, that would be much welcome.
Okay. How the awareness is being created at the institution level regarding the courses, the other regarding the courses, other things, madam, to reach the students?
Our SPOC members they will be sending frequent emails, and since he is a librarian, so he will be the brochures or the flyers that will be displayed in libraries and each and every notice boards, and department specific programs will be mailed to the concerned departments, so that we can select the topics and we can enroll for them.
Okay. Madam, finally, the overall opinion about NPTEL MOOC courses, madam.
Yeah, overall opinion is one thing: technology should not replace the human resource. That is the major thing.
Okay.
Or else everything is fine, sir.
Okay, madam. Thank you for your valuable time, madam, and
Thank you,
feedback,
sir.
madam. Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Thank you.